Hi everyone, how are you all? Today we will learn about homophones. So, what are homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same when spoken, but they have different meanings and often different spellings. So, homophones they sound alike, but they are not the same words. They have different meanings and often different spellings. So, what are homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same when we say them. They have same pronunciation, but they have different meanings and different spellings. Now we will see some examples. SEAC, SEEC. Both have same pronunciation, but their meanings are different. Their spellings are also different. SEAC means a large body of water. Then what about SEEC? To look at something. So these words sound alike, but their meanings are different, their spellings are different. These words are homophones. Consider another example. SUN sun, SON sun. Both have same pronunciation, but their meanings are different, their spellings are different. SUN sun means the star that gives us light. SON sun, a male child. So these are homophones. They have same pronunciation, but their meanings are different. Their spellings are also different. Choose the correct word. I can dash the birds. HEAR here, HERA here. Which is the correct answer? I can hear the birds. HEAR here. I can hear the birds means I am able to listen to the sounds made by the birds. So I can hear the birds. HEAR. The next one, we went to the dash. SCAC, SEEC. Which is the correct answer? We went to the sea. SEAC. Now we will see some questions. Choose the correct homophone. The sun will dash in the east. Options are RISC rise, RICE rise. Which is the correct answer? The sun will rise in the east. RISC rise. RICE rice is a food item. It is a cereal. Next one. Choose the correct homophone. I want a piece of chocolate dash. Options are TO2, TOO2, TWO2. Which is the correct answer? I want a piece of chocolate too. Answer TOO2. I want a piece of chocolate too means I also want some chocolate. Next one, choose the correct homophone. The rabbit ran into its dash. HOLE hole, WHOLE hole. Which is the correct answer? Hole, HOLE hole and WHOLE hole. They are homophones. So the rabbit ran into its hole. HOLE hole. WHOLE hole means complete. HOLE hole means an opening or empty space in something. So answer is HOLE hole. Next one, choose the correct homophone. The dog wagged its dash. TAIL tail, TALE tail. Which is the correct answer? The dog wagged its tail. TAIL tail. TALE tail means story. Choose the correct homophone. We went dash the tunnel. THROUGH, THREW. Which is the correct answer? We went through the tunnel. THROUGH. THREW through means it is the past tense of throw, to tow something. THROUGH means from one side to the other side. That is through. THROUGH. We went through the tunnel. Next one. She wore a beautiful dash on her finger. R-I-N-G ring, W-R-I-N-G. Which is the correct answer? She wore a beautiful ring on her finger. R-I-N-G ring. W-R-I-N-G ring means to twist and squeeze something to remove water. That is W-R-I-N-G. R-I-N-G ring is a circular piece of jewelry. So she wore a beautiful ring on her finger. R-I-N-G ring. Next one. The king ruled with fairness and dash. P-E-A-C-E peace. P-I-E-C-E peace. Which is the correct answer? The king ruled with fairness and peace. P-E-A-C-E. P-E-A-C-E peace means a state of calm, quiet and no fighting. P-I-E-C-E, a part of something. I ate a piece of cake. P-I-E-C-E. Here, the king ruled with fairness and peace. P-E-A-C-E. Next one, the sailor sailed across the dash. It is a very easy question. S-C-A-C-S-E-E-C. Which is the correct answer? The sailor sailed across the sea. S-E-A. Next one, please dash your name on the paper. W-R-I-T-E, right? R-I-G-H-T, right? Which is the correct answer? Please write your name on the paper. W-R-I-T-E, right. Next one, turn dash at the traffic signal. Options are W-R-I-T-E, R-I-G-H-T. Which is the correct answer? Turn right at the traffic signal. R-I-G-H-T, right. Turn right at the traffic signal. Right side. R-I-G-H-T, right. Next one. Please stand, dash and wait for your turn. H-E-A-R here, H-E-R-E here. Which is the correct answer? Please stand here and wait for your turn. H-E-R-E here. H-E-A-R here means to listen to sounds. H-E-R-E means in this place. So please stand here and wait for your turn. H-E-R-E here. Next we have quiz time. Which word correctly completes the sentence? Please dash your name on the answer sheet. Options are R-I-G-H-T, right? W-R-I-T-E, right. Answer the question correctly in the comments. I will choose one and give a free PDF of exam questions from Chapter 1 of Class 6 Curiosity. One lucky winner with the correct answer will receive the PDF. Hurry up and comment your answer now. Good luck. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about homophones. Please like the video, comment your answers, share with your friends, subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning. Thank you.